Residents came out to an annual truck show that took place in Marietta on Saturday. The Marietta Transfer held its third annual truck show benefit. All the money raised at the show goes to a local organization, according to Dennis Davis, who helps with the event. This year, the company raised money for the Marietta veterans. The benefit is in honor of Davis's dad. Dennis and Tammy Davis say they both love donating to the community.
Well, because if it wasn't for God and the veterans, we wouldn't be in a free country that we're in right now. So we're very patriotic and we love to give back, and this is why we picked the vets this year.
Yeah.
So.
And we always have that saying, well, that saying that's out there, freedom isn't free, thank the vet.
For more about the annual truck show, you can visit our website at WTAP.com.